How to make tomato bread. You need self-raising flour, yeast, warm milk, salt, sugar, egg, tomato puree, sun-dried tomato, basil, and butter. Mix all together in a mixing bowl with a hook till combined properly. Leave until proofing. Mix together again after proofing, on lower speed. Take the dough out from mixer and then spread flour on the table. Cut into the sizes you want and roll. Place your bread in either a bread tin or on a tray. Wait until proofing again and brush egg wash on top and bake for 30 to 45 minutes on 150 degrees. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share at All Inclusive TV.